Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
7 Practical Traits of a Good Mom. Your child is going to look up to you to learn how to navigate this world on their own. Don't worry, just do what works best for you and your child and know that everyone has their own style of parenting. Here are some general qualities of a good mother that you can use as a guideline in your journey to become a good mother. Number 1. Patience. Patience is good for both you and your children as they will pick up the qualities they see in you and your partner. Number 2. Encouraging. Children with supportive and encouraging mothers are able to take their failures lightly and try again without remorse. Number 3. Understanding. You need to take the time to listen to your children and try to understand a situation from their perspective. Number 4. Respectful. Children who have been taught self-respect and how to respect others are happier, more generous, and able to cultivate good relationships in life. Number 5. Firm. While disciplining your child, do not think that you need to be mean to them. Discipline them gently and with love. Say something like pushing is not nice behavior. You will not be able to take a turn now. Instead of you can't take a turn now because you are naughty. Number 6. Always there for her children. Be there for them when they need you. This will make your children feel important and will breed trust, self-worth, and love. Number 7. Healthy. If you don't focus on self-care and exert yourself, you may jeopardize your health and get sick. So, don't forget to eat healthily and give yourself some me time. A mother is the heart of the family and a child's guiding hand. Make sure you are healthy, both physically and mentally.